Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. So, in this video, I wanted to show you guys the Kikoff online store, and I want to kind of expose it because a lot of people think that you could just get approved for a $3,500 credit card and use it everywhere. And this ain't that. You guys can't just get approved for a $3,500 credit card or the $750 credit card. You can use it everywhere. That's not what Kikoff is about. Kikoff, when it first started, was about reporting to the credit bureaus that you're paying on time, period. That's what they've been about, and that's what they're still about. So I'm going to show you guys the Kikoff store, and I'm going to show you what you can buy and what you can't buy, and then how to actually make a wise decision on what you're going to buy also, because sometimes people make very bad decisions on what to buy, and they're spending too much unnecessary money. And again, all we care about with this is them reporting to the credit bureaus, y'all. We don't care about anything else. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what the store looks like. So when you first log into Kikoff, this is what you are going to see. They do have their secure credit card that you guys can check out. Yesterday when I did a video, I showed you guys the website, myrickita.com, and then I showed you some results. I'm going to show you guys that after I go through the actual store. But they do have their secure credit card you guys can check out. Then they do have their Kikoff loan. So what I'm talking about is the credit account. As you can see right here, my next payment is $0. I don't have another due date. They're saying, hey, we're going to automatically take it off of your debit card. But the thing is, I don't have anything. I'm not going to set up anything. They're still reporting to the credit bureaus that I'm paying on time. So it's no need for me to even think about setting up anything anyway. So you can see right here, make another purchase. That's where you guys will want to go to look at the store to see what you guys can actually purchase, because it's different things that you guys can purchase. So when you guys think about this, think about you guys want them to report to the credit bureaus, and then how long you want them to report to the credit bureaus for. Now, I just told you they were still reporting to the credit bureaus for me, but my account is a $500 account. That's even before they even had the $750 account, even way before the $3,500 account, the $2,500 account. But mine is still reporting, and I have not had any type of payments for a while. So I would like for you guys to test it first to see if you guys can get them to report to the credit bureaus for you without having to make an additional payment to them or continuing to pay for something that they were going to report for free. So mind you, some people paying $5 per month for something that I get for free right now. And I want you guys to just try to see if you can get it for free. So if you guys have the option, I would love if you guys can try out maybe this right here. So you'll buy this ebook. It's $16, and they said that they're going to report for 4 months. But the thing is, even after the 4 months, they may continue to report like they're doing for me. They also have these other ones too. If you guys want to check these out, they have one here that you guys can pay the $10 and then they report for 2 months. So that's basically you paying $5 per month. Now, people like to look at these ebooks, but I'm not looking at the ebooks. Honestly, I can care less about these ebooks. I care about how much you guys are going to be paying. I don't care about the ebooks at all. So you guys can try those out first, because I'm trying to get you guys to have the reporting without the additional payments like some of these people are paying right now. I hear a lot of people paying $25 per month, $20, or some people saying they're paying $35 per month. And to me, that's just too much money, especially knowing that I'm getting on the report for free still. So they do have some options like this right here where it's $3 and they'll report for 1 month. I don't know if you guys can do something like this, but I will see if you guys can try it. See if you can sign up for this one and see if they still report that second month. And you can go on Credit Karma and they'll let you know, hey, the last time it was reported was this day. And they'll also, if you guys see a green check mark on your payment history, then for months after you stop paying, then you know that they're still reporting. So try to see if you can do like this $3 one here. And then they also have this one right here, Smarter with AI. That one is also $3. So you guys can check both of those out. And as you can see, there's a lot of different options on here. But again, I'm going based off of the numbers of how much you guys are going to be paying. If you guys want to really get these ebooks on here, go ahead and get the ebooks. But again, I'm not thinking about the ebook. I'm thinking about how they're going to report to the credit bureaus. Now, if you want to say, okay, Rickita, but I really do like all about financing, because that caught my eyes because I'm starting my finance class for my business degree. So I like the all about financing. So maybe you say, you know what, I'm going to pay a little extra because I would have helped you get it down to $6 basically. I'm going to pay the extra $4 because I'm going to get an ebook that I really, really want. Okay, perfect. Go and do that. But see if they're going to continue to report even after you stop paying. But all it is ebooks. This is all they have. They have the ebooks. And then if you guys don't want the ebooks and you guys want them to just report to the credit bureaus and you don't want to have to watch it, you want to just make sure that they continue to report, then you guys can sign up for one of their plans that you see right here. So they have these different plans that you guys can sign up for. Now, I told you I was going to show you my website so that you can see other people that was able to get approved for the Kikoff, and it actually helped them build their credit. So it's just Rickita.com/Kikoff. That basically my website with any credit card. You can do / with any credit card. You should be able to find it. But this is what my Kikoff blog looks like. And you can see right here, people saying, hey, my credit score went up 200 points. Somebody said, hey, I got self and I got Kikoff. And it helps your score get better. Somebody said their credit score went up 73 points. So it can help you. But look, they have the $2,500 credit line and they're paying $20 per month. Somebody said I opened both Kikoff accounts 2 months ago and my score is shot up 99 points. That's amazing. If you think about how much you're paying compared to how much your credit score is going up, it's really a good thing. But I want you guys, if you can, to not pay that amount and get them to still report, because that extra money that you're saving, you could put that toward any debt that you already have right now. You could put that towards getting you a $200 credit card with Navy Federal, getting you a $200 credit card with Discover, because those credit cards can graduate. Navy Federal credit card can go from $200 to $2,000 in 6 months. And that's a real credit card. That's not we're going to report a $2,500 line. That's you building a relationship with a company. And that's why I tell you all that I would rather you not pay it, because you guys will be closer to really building your credit and having a great relationship with companies by just starting with a secure credit card. Somebody said 100 points plus. Somebody said they just received a 39-point increase with Self and a 29-point increase with Kikoff. Somebody said a 55-point increase in 3 weeks. And then we have these 3 down here. They said I'm up 79 points May 30th. I was at 550. Now I'm at 629. So that is good. So that is really good. They said they got approved for it. They opened at $10 per month. The $10 per month, that's the installment account that they have. And somebody said they pay the $35 per month. That's the $3,500 account. Somebody said they went up 60 points. Another person said, hey, they put them in the low 700s, but they said they're not going to get it back until they back in the 500s, but that's not going to happen because they're not going to mess with their credit, basically. So I want you guys to definitely check out Kikoff. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys have, but that's the Kikoff store. I'll see you guys in the next video.